Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into the exciting world of data access and security. Trust me, getting this right is crucial for any professional or business wanting to leverage the power of their data. And who doesn't want that? So, why bother building these fancy data platforms in the first place? Well, the main reason is simple: to get data into the hands of the people and systems who need it, and to do it cheaply and safely. We're talking about making data available at scale, like really big scale. Think about your data consumers. These are your colleagues running reports, analysts running SQL queries against your data warehouse to find answers, maybe even your data scientists crafting models from your raw data. And let's not forget your applications. They consume data too. Now, each of the big cloud players, Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, they all offer their own flavor of data warehouse as a service. Azure's got Synapse, Google Cloud's rocking BigQuery, and Amazon's got Redshift. They're like different brands of ice cream, similar but with their own unique twists. It's a bit of a choose your own adventure situation. But here's the catch. While data warehouses are great for BI tools and analysts who like to get their hands dirty with SQL, applications often need data way faster. We're talking lightning fast response times that even the speediest data cloud warehouse might struggle with. You don't want your users staring at a loading screen for too long. So, what's the solution? One popular approach is using a separate, dedicated data store just for your applications. This can give you those blazing fast retrieval speeds and handle tons of requests at once. But, and this is a big but, you've got to be super careful about security when you let applications directly access your data warehouse. You don't want to leave the back door unlocked. Speaking of security, with all these different types of data consumers and these fancy multi-layer platform designs, you need a rock-solid approach to data security. Think of it like building a fortress around your valuable data. At a minimum, we're talking about using users, groups, and roles. You'll need a robust credential and configuration management. And let's not forget data encryption, like scrambling your data so only the right people can unscramble it. Plus, we need to use network boundaries to keep those cloud resources locked down tight. All right, let's talk about the options for your application data stores. We've got relational databases, which are kind of the old reliable of the data world. There are also key value stores, great for simple lookups. Then there are full text search systems, perfect for finding that needle in the data haystack. And finally, we've got in-memory caches, which are like the sprinters of the data world. Super fast, but a bit forgetful. The good news? Each of the big cloud providers offer these as managed services. Easy peasy. Now, data scientists, they're a different breed. They don't just want to peek at the data, they want to dive in head first. They need access to massive amounts of data, serious computing power to run their models, and an easy way to split data for training and validation. Basically, a playground for their models. The good news is a well-designed data platform has all of this. It stores all the data, raw and refined, and offers tons of ways to access it: SQL, Apache Spark, even direct file access. So your data science team is never limited in their choice of tools and can do their job without restrictions. And to make things even smoother, the big cloud providers all have tools to help your data scientists collaborate. Azure's got ML, AWS has SageMaker, and Google Cloud has its AI platform. It's like a party for data scientists, and everyone's invited. They also offer BI solutions. Azure offers Power BI, AWS has QuickSight, and Google Cloud provides Data Studio and Looker BI. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of data access and security in the modern data platform world. It might seem complex, but with the right planning and tools, you can make your data both accessible and secure, setting your business or career up for success. And remember, a secure data platform is a happy data platform. And a happy data platform means happy data consumers. And who doesn't want that, right? See you in the next module.